to you. The rest is up 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 to you. Your mentors become your tormentor. Give him the money, but is it for rent? Or will you get them for the countless time your head starts to hurt, you just close your eyes? I know, I know, I know, I know, I know what he did to you, but there's only so much one can do. The rest is up to you. 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 The speech is merely words. It's even worse because it rhymes. Give me a minute of your time. I'll have a minute of your time. And I can't make this click, and I can't tattoo your mind, but you know this ain't no trick to get or leave it all behind. The rest is up to you. 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 Why don't you try to slow down? Slow things down. Slow things down. 'Cause I know you're hurting, so put down your burdens. Crucify your doubts and just reach out. Reach out to Jesus. Embrace Him. Turn your life around to face Him. You'll find me